plato mo, Kel.
So we'll be starting now, guys and girls. Come over here. I'm so hungry.
Oh, Kel. I love what I'm feeling.
Kare-kare. Our vine for today with perfect combination of bagoong.
Sabi mo ano?
Oh my gosh, this is what we call. Oh, this is not an oxtail. This is pata. What a sauce! Oh my gosh, and with vegetables, as you can see, guys and girls.
Ay, wala siya ibigay.
Join us. Love this bagoong. Kumain ka ng gulay para ano, masustansya yan.
Oy, oy. Oy, oy, oy.
Let's go, let's go. So hungry, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Come on.
Yung. Oh.
Love it, love it.
What's your recent favorite?